Hi everyone and welcome back. We are here with our third finished project, and by far this one is the best product we delivered on the market, and we increased this house value by £350,000. So let me show you around and tell you how we did it. Hi, I'm Greta, and behind the camera is my husband Daniel, and together we are the Mnuchkas. And last year we started property investment with zero experience. And we're sharing all our journey here on this YouTube channel. So if this is something that you're interested to, make sure to subscribe. So come on in and let me show you what we did to this house. So one brand new thing we did in this house, we integrated this intercom system that allows the delivery or the guest call the specific room. So it's not only one room needs to open the door, but anyone in the house can hear it when they delivery or friends came over. So now let me show you inside. So here we are. This is our fully finished product. Obviously, as you can see, we kept this arch. Is a feature I really like in this house. And now let me show you all the bedrooms. So this is room 1, and I really like it. We installed it a brand new light next to the bed so people can have this better, more luxurious hotel feeling when they're living here. And the other nice perk we did it is built-in wardrobes. We thought it will last longer, it looks better, it's with the mirrors, makes the rooms look even and feel even more bigger. And then, of course, every single bedroom has its own ensuite. These days, no one wants really to share it, and everyone prefers to have their own personal space. And this is our little intercom that I told you about. So you can see the street, you can see with the camera who came over, and then answer it. Now let me take you to the room that is staged currently. It's room 2. We usually stage the rooms so the tenants can have a feel how it would look like once they're living here. Try to equip each room with the nice desks where it's possible. And yeah, this one has a built-in wardrobe as well. Now, let me take you to what is my favorite place in this house. I was working on the kitchen design for a while. I just wanted to make sure tenants have a very nice flow and enough space. And we went with this completely different design. We chose dark blue color, and actually I'm super happy how it turned out. It looks very luxurious, very high end. And of course, all our kitchens has everything double ovens, double fridges, washer dryers. It's just to comply with the HMO rules and regulations. We created this little bar here where tenants can sit and enjoy their lunch or breakfast. And of course, we have our little daughter here. And of course, we created this beautiful living space, installed a very nice skylight where tenants can enjoy the evenings, watch a movie, and just relax after work. Now, let me take you upstairs. So now we are on the first floor. Let me show you room number 3. This one is a bit smaller room. Nevertheless, it's still amazing. All the rooms are equipped to the same standard ottoman bed. We have extra storage underneath, mini fridge, TV, chest of drawers. This one has as well very nice built-in wardrobe and a very nice ensuite in the room. Now let me take you to the room 4. We have one of the off-suites here for the room 6. I'll just show you straight away. So we create a really nice size bathroom for room 6 specifically. And then we have room 4 and 5 that reflects downstairs, and it's a really nice size room. As well, we have a nice double size ottoman bed and a built-in wardrobe, and of course this very nice ensuite that we have here. And let me take you to the room 5. I really like room 5 because it has a lot of sun most of the day. Today is a bit cloudy, so you can't see it, but it's very nice, very spacious. We always keep our tenant in mind. Our first house got tenanted within 2 weeks because everyone who came in paid the deposit straight away. They were like, wow, this is like nothing you can see on the market. And we keep trying to deliver this in every of our projects. A very nice ensuite again. And the built-in wardrobe. In some of the rooms, we went for a different built-in wardrobes just because we couldn't fit the sliding doors here, but it's still nice and spacious. And then I'll show you the smallest room in the house, but it's still a very beautiful and spacious room. As well have built-in wardrobes with a lot of space. So the way we chose to do this, you know, the wardrobes has inside the space all the way to the ceiling, so it could fit the suitcase or anything else that you need. So we didn't want it to waste any space like we did in our previous houses. And now let me take you to the loft. Loft was not here when we bought this house. So now we created completely brand new floor and we added additional 3 rooms. So now we are at the room 7. It's as well very nice size room. Actually, we could probably still fit a desk and a chair here as well. Chest of drawers. We made a nice built-in wardrobe. It's a bit bigger than I think on our first project. We have another house on the same street here, so it has a really same layout. It's just we try to tweak the layout, move the doors around a bit to make sure we can give the best possible layout for the tenants with the built-in wardrobes, optimize the space. And then I'll show you room 8. I somehow really like this room as well. We did as well a built-in wardrobe here. Yeah, and this one has a very nice, actually, one of the bigger bathrooms inside. So this one is really a great room as well. And then I'll show you the last room, which is room 9. And this one is very nice and spacious room. As well, we have a desk, nice small double bed, built-in wardrobes for extra space, and of course, mini fridge, extra storage, and then we have a bed, ottoman bed. Now, I'm sure everyone is interested in the numbers, so let me run through them. We bought this house for $235,000. We bought it in February, and in February we started the renovations in March, and now it's beginning of November and it's fully finished. And we spent on the renovations around $200,000. And of course, we are expecting a new valuation on this house of $685,000. If you've been following our journey before, you know that we were saying that we are expecting $600,000 valuation. But our first house on the same street got valued at $650,000, so we are of course expecting the same valuation, if not more, because we will be achieving slightly higher rents here. And of course we did it a bit to even higher standard than our first one. And we are renting rooms from $660 all the way to $850, depending on the size of the room. And yeah, the first house we rented within 2 weeks. It was fully rented, so of course we are expecting same on this one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we bought another 6 properties, and we will be documenting the whole journey here on this YouTube channel. And if this is something you are interested in, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see how this property looked like once we bought it, make sure to check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.